Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. I'll walk you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to leverage AutoDS to streamline your dropshipping business on Shopify. Before we get started with the video, be sure to follow along by using the AutoDS link provided in the description below. To begin, you'll first need to sign into your Shopify account, so go ahead and log in. On the left sidebar, navigate to the Applications or the Application Store and search for AutoDS. This is the application we're going to download. Confirm the connection between your Shopify store and AutoDS. AutoDS offers several packages to suit different business needs and scales. There's the Import 200, which is great for beginners. The Starter 400, perfect for those ready to scale their business, and the Advanced 800, which I recommend for established dropshippers looking to expand. Finally, there are premium options for high-volume sellers who need more advanced features. You can choose between monthly or annual billing, but I recommend the annual option if you are serious about dropshipping since it comes with a discount of up to 25%. Personally, I recommend the Starter 400 inches package for most users as it offers a great balance of features, including crucial price and stock monitoring tools. After selecting your package, you'll need to enter your payment details, but don't worry, you won't be charged during the free trial period. This is just to set up your account for seamless transactions after the trial if you decide to continue with AutoDS. Now that we've connected AutoDS to Shopify, let's go ahead and see how to find and import products. For that, we'll use AutoDS Marketplace, a powerful tool for finding winning products. Here's how to use it effectively. Start by utilizing the filters. The first filter is Ships From. Assuming we are targeting US customers, select United States from the drop-down menu. Next, we've got the categories. Choose the niche of products you'll be targeting. In my case, I might select women's clothing or apparel. Additionally, you can use the Best Sellers filter to see the most popular items in your category. As you scroll through the results, a product may catch your eye. Check the shipping time to ensure it meets your needs. Then, review the price, calculate your selling price, and check your profit margins. Lastly, check the customer reviews. Higher ratings are an excellent sign of product quality and customer satisfaction. Once you've found a promising product, click the Import Draft button. Navigate to the Drafts section, find the listing, and click on it. You can then edit the product details, change the title and description. Don't forget to save your edits and then import the product to your Shopify store. Just like that, we've added a high-potential product to our store using AutoDS Marketplace. Keep in mind that the key to success is not just finding good products, but also presenting them well and marketing them effectively. You can use the insights provided by AutoDS to craft compelling product descriptions and create attractive listings for your Shopify store. From here, you can view how the product appears in your Shopify store by clicking on the button that loads your listing inside your theme. I highly recommend taking some time to customize your store and set up Shopify payments for smooth transactions. Additionally, the AutoDS dashboard provides valuable insights into your business, such as total orders, profit and revenue, tracking newly added products, and monitoring your store's performance over time. To make the most out of AutoDS on Shopify, focus on a specific niche like pets or outdoor sports for easier marketing. Add multiple products within your chosen niche and customize your store's appearance for a professional look. In conclusion, if you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business and saving countless hours on tasks, AutoDS is a tool worth your attention. It automates product imports, order fulfillment, and even store creation, which can be transformative for your e-commerce business. Hopefully, this guide has helped you understand what AutoDS offers and how to import your first product using it. You can try it yourself using the link to AutoDS provided in the description below.